Hello, I am Antoinette White. I'm the CEO of Mission to Motivate. When I was 6 years old, that should have been the happiest time of my life. But my mom and her sister-in-law, they were partiers. And it wasn't no party like a party until my mom showed up. And there were times when my mom would party that she would leave me, my brother, and sister at home with my father. And my father took that opportunity to come get me out of bed. And he would lay me next to him. And he would say to me, as if he was comforting me, "This is how your mama like it." How my mama like it? How was that comforting? So from 6 years old to 12-year-olds, I was being abused. And my mom was partying and having a good time. And I'm like, "Mom, see me. I'm here and I'm hurting." But how could she see me? Because I learned how to wear a mask. I did well in school. I continued to play outside with my sister. But until one time, a movie came on television. And it was about a little girl being molested. And my aunt and cousins and everyone came over because we were a close family. And my father knew everyone was coming over. So he came and got me. He had a long terry cloth robe on with nothing on. And he slammed me against the wall and said, "You better not tell." I'm scared. But after the movie went off and I could relate to that little girl, I said, "Mom, can I talk to you?" She said, "Sure, baby. What is it?" I said, "That happened to me." She said, "What you just say?" I said, "My dad's been abusing me since I was 6 years old, but don't tell nobody." You see, I didn't want her to tell anyone because I was ashamed. My mother said, "Oh no, I'm calling everybody because I want to make sure your father haven't touched anyone else." And it was at that time, once I told, I realized that I had a voice. And I created Mission to Motivate, to empower you, to let you know, no matter what you're going through, you have a voice, and you have a voice, and you have a voice, and you matter. You see, when I spoke at a school one year, I was invited the next year to come and speak. And after I shared my story, I raised the floor for questions. And one little girl said, "Miss White, my sister heard you speak last year. And because of that, she went home and told our mother our stepfather was abusing her, and he's in jail now." That's why I created Mission to Motivate, and I wrote a book, Who's Protecting Me, to empower everyone, women and young girls, and to follow me to see my movement and